Yes.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, then I will start my presentation. Um, Good morning, everyone. I'm Siyu Chan and I'm 16 years old. Today, I would like to share my views on the profound impact of AI on our society and also the relationships between AI and humanity. As we know, in the 21st century, technological advancements are unfolding at an amazing pace. AI has already transformed our lives in remarkable ways, generating stunning outputs, assisting in cooking, answering questions through ChatGPT and or DeepSeek, um, and even enabling driverless cars. Soon, we might even be traveling through our cities in the flying cars. Yet, amidst this rapid progress, I think we must pause to consider the potential crises that may arise. Many of us fear that as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, humans may go over dependent on it, leading to a decline in critical thinking and creativity. Some even speculate that, as in many sci-fi movies, that AI will dominate humans in the future world. Well, these questions may be a little far away for us now, so let's focus on the immediate challenges. AI is already replacing numerous jobs, sparking widespread anxiety about job security. How can we navigate this evolving landscape? In my opinion, the most important thing is that we must prioritize our skill development and maintain our cognitive abilities. This is the way to ensure that we won't be replaced by AI. And AI should serve as a tool to improve the quality and efficiency of our work, but not as a thing that limits our imagination and capabilities. And in addition, there's no doubt that the original purpose of developing AI was to foster a better and more sustainable world. And we must remain steadfast to this vision. We can harness AI to support vulnerable communities, but not to fuel conflicts. We use AI to bridge global connections, not to exacerbate inequalities. Moreover, I think AI has the potential to revolutionize fields such as healthcare, environmental conservation, and education. For instance, AI-driven diagnostics can improve medical outcomes, while personalized learning platforms can enhance the education accessibility. And in environmental conservation, AI can optimize resource management and predict climate patterns, aiding in the fight against global warming. So, looking ahead, I envision AI playing a crucial role in addressing global challenges such as global warming and climate change. I believe that by taking advantage of AI responsibly, we can create a more equitable and sustainable future. And this is the end of my speech. Thanks for listening.
Thank you very much, Siyu, and thank you very much for your presentation on the social impacts, how sometimes we can find ourselves too dependent on AI. So you have a question from Professor Jim Slota. 2 minutes to answer that.
Hello. Great. I'm not muted. Okay, good. Great presentation. I think you've done a really good job summarizing this complex and rapidly emerging space. All of us are watching and sort of amazed at how fast things are changing and what kinds of challenges and opportunities there are. And I thought your essay and speech suggested some possible directions. You said, I think the most important thing is we must prioritize skill development and maintain our cognitive abilities. This is the only way to ensure we won't be replaced by AI. It should serve as a tool to improve the quality and efficiency of our work, not as a crutch that diminishes our capacities. This sounds great and true. I think many of us believe this, but it's not easy to say what that really looks like. So my question has to do with your life right now as a student and about education as we know it. Students, we know, are beginning to use AI as a crutch, your word, that may diminish their capabilities. And as educators, many of us are worried that school as we know it might have to change unless we want students to just get by using AI to write their essays and help them solve their problems. How do you think, this is my question, how do you think we should change school so that students are using AI in productive ways to advance their learning and getting ready for their future?
I think that AI has significantly changed the fields, including education in education. As for me, in our school, we have a specific subject that teach students to use the technology. I think this is a good thing to let the students to try to learn AI, to learn the new technology at an earliest age, and this help them to prepare for the future, because now is a era of big data. So I think it's important and crucial to learn that we should learn how to use the technology and AI to help us do our work more perfectly. But as what I mentioned in my essays, I'm not dissuading not dissuading that people from using AI, but but what I want to emphasize is that while we are using AI to help us do our work, and we must also raise our awareness of being over dependent on AI, because if we actually let the AI to help us do anything, and we didn't think anymore, we didn't have our own thinking and think critically, and yes, I think it's not a good thing, because we didn't actually we can't learn any new knowledge, because we mainly relied on AI to help us to solve all the problems. So I think the whether using AI is a good thing or a bad thing is mainly dependent on how we use it. So yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Xian. As a teacher myself, I appreciate what you had to say about the use of AI in learning. McMaster University's Professor Telex Natchez has a question for you next.
Thank you very
Professor
much.
Natchez?
Yes. Thank you very much, Xian, for this excellent presentation on the multiple ways in which AI will be harnessed to mitigate and adapt to climate change and tackle the issues of resource scarcity. So I have a question for you. In your opinion, what are the obstacles or the challenges that we can face in trying to achieve this goal of AI and sustainability? Do you see any limitation in using AI to improve sustainability?
Okay. Thanks for your question. I think the biggest limitation for using AI to achieving the goal of sustainability, it is that I think we should make AI to be available to everyone, to make sure that it can benefit all of us. Because if only few people in the society can use the new technology or the AI, and in fact it can't help to achieve the goal of sustainability, because the other people can use the technology in their lives. So I think the most obstacle that we need to overcome is that we should make AIs be more available to everyone, that no matter is the student or the people in the remote areas can also use both of them can take advantage of using AI.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you very much. So yes, making AI universal is a challenge, but it's certainly is a goal we have to strive for. Thank you so much.